So what is beautiful skin? What is healthy skin? Do you mean fair skin? Well, it's not the definition I personally subscribe to. Healthy skin looks and feels smooth, being elastic, and this is what a tiny dose of massage does. A correctly done massage can enhance your mood and refine you mentally, physically, and spiritually too. So, this is a self-massage tutorial that you can do at your home or at your comfort zone to welcome that plumpy, yumpy skin. So, there are some prerequisites. I know that's a big word. So, there are things that you need to do before any massage, like clean your face every time before starting any massage, and drink a glass of water. This removes toxins and increases the lymphatic drainage, and play some music to satisfy your soul. So I have mirror there, so I am looking there. You look at me to follow the tutorial. So you can use any oil or any massage cream. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, whatnot. But make sure you use any lubricant, any face lubricant. So here I am using butter, homemade butter, nothing fancy, purely homemade. And we'll get started with the forehead. Okay. So I am placing my 3 fingers on my forehead and moving them gently horizontally. See, this is not my speed. I just increased the speed of the clip. Otherwise you will get bored. So this is not my speed. You need to do very gently, not very slowly, but very gently according to your speed. Okay. So you need to do the first move 9 times and do both sides. And for the second move, just tap your under eyes area with the long finger or middle finger. Okay, when it comes to advantages, we all know it increases blood circulation, blah blah blah. But do you know it increases the product absorption? Like if you are putting multani mitti every day constantly on your face, but your skin is very poor at absorbing the goodness, then what's the point, right? So that's the difference a facial massage can bring. Okay, for the next move, you're just placing your 2 index fingers on your chin and moving your thumb according to your face structure or bone structure. Okay. You can see. And again, this is not my speed. You need to do this gently. You need to do this for 9 times, and for the next move, same as the previous one, but this time you are moving your index finger along with your thumb. So for the next move, you're placing your index finger and middle finger on your cheekbones and just pressing that area gently, very gently, and see how cute it looks. For the next move, I think there's no need of explanation. I know it's weird, but trust me guys, you don't need blush after this. You'll get that plumpy skin, and trust me. Okay, for the next move, you're just placing your index fingers on your chin and moving your thumb through your cheekbones. Oh my god, guys, this is not my speed. And the clip is too fast and it's in 2x speed, so please be gentle on your skin. And if you have oily skin, just go and wash your face with your favorite face wash. If you have dry skin, just leave it. And guys, your support my motivation, so please, if you love this video, please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. Until then, stay stunning. Bye.